It's okay to be afraid, but it will never be the same.